frosting there?
I think it's good.
It's looking okay. Okay.
Yeah, I mean it's just like melted. I mean, yeah.
Okay, cool.
It looks good. It's chilling. we are ganache. Okay, let me get my flour and then. Where's my flour? Gold medal. I remember this last time, but this pan, the oil beads up on it. You see that on there?
Chatters are looking amazing tonight.
55-gallon drum of lube.
Is now
Yo,
hosting you
55.
for 0 viewers.
Thank you, dude. Where the host train at?
This is unusual for Camel, as he's
Hosters?
usually using pre-jacked
Pre-jacked everything?
Oh, pre-jack?
Wait, what did I use? Is not pre-jacked.
Biohaz _
Where the host train at,
hosting
dude?
you for 0 viewers. At Gallon Drum of Lube, thank you for noticing him wearing a lovely see-through teddy. Kalioli is now hosting you for 0 viewers. Tom_B__ is now hosting you for 0 viewers.
Is the way to
This
go.
one's looking good. We never pre-jack
And
around
look at
here,
that
dude.
sink.
What about it, dude?
It has seen better days.
Danny Denham.
I don't know if it has, to be honest. I don't know if it has.
Pre-jacked shrimp and wings are the way to go, as we now know.
Okay, that part is
If you
true.
weren't
That's
already
I've
hosting
held
this
1 then
amazing
0.
man,
In your trash
it's a
can.
free and easy way to.
Oh, in the trash.
Yeah. Trash.
Yeah, we're a bit past that.
It looks amazing at Alvin_WLF.
We're just feeding the sink. Who shot those, dude?
Danny is here.
Danny.
Big Oiler, run a gamble.
Oh, true, actually.
Timer.
I did. Somebody run the gamba. Somebody run the gamba. Why does the oil beat up on
Got
this?
it.
Is just the coating on there, maybe?
Yeah, it's a
That can't be a bad thing, right? There's more non-stick.
You got a lot of
NBM.
extra flour, it looks like. Can you bang it on the
Josh,
side of the
got it.
counter over your trash can or like your sink or something? There you go, and you put your little circles. Yeah, I guess that works,
All
yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Love it. Sniffer feels.
That's what the tarp is for.
What's with the
You know what I
sweater?
mean?
Hoodie. Is it a cutting
what?
board? Hoodie?
Oh, cutting board.
Hoodie?
It does look like
Doesn't
that.
need a knife.
No, that's actually a coom rag.
I want to win some points.
No, this is just
CAKR.
You'll get in the effing gamba. Please and thank you.
yeah, get in the gamba, dude.
Okay.
No, that's just
It's
like
Cool.
that's just a couple coom rags and like I threw the cutting board down there. But that is a pretty genius idea, like a cutting board
I
hoodie.
don't know. You have a spare
I think we gotta
cutting
make
board.
those. I think we gotta make
Fine.
those. Like a cutting instead of like the front pocket on the hoodie, you have a cutting board, and then you just like flip it on the counter whenever you need to cut something.
God.
One raid is from C0R erupted _id 3
Yo,
NTITY.
corrupted.
Have joined. Danny
That's actually 5 head, Saren. We gotta develop some products.
To get in the gamba or childish. TTF.
Yeah, get in the
let me
gamba.
Say hi to.
Hi to 55.
Sheesh,
Wait, let me see if I
corrupted
can fix that.
I'm sorry, I am already in, but I will run